Okay, now we're going to show you the program running on the tablet. I'm going to disable Wi-Fi. And then I'm going to start up Linux deploy. I'm going to run it. So while that's going on, I'm going to run a VNC application. There's many to choose from. I like either this one or Real VNC. Hey, you guys, be quiet. Go over there. We're recording. Just go over there. Go in the other room. Close. I'm going to hit connect. You can see how it kind of loads slowly there. The other option, here, I'll show you something real quick. I'll show you the advanced settings. They have an option for hex style encoding for child root connections, which is what we're doing. It's got great image quality, but it's a little bit slow. The other option is to use Real VNC. I think it's probably the way to go, honestly. Anyway, I'm going to show it to you this way. There's traffic view. I'll go ahead and... It's kind of interesting to control, and you can configure this between different VNC applications. I'm sure you guys will figure that one out. But what I do is double click this. Maybe I should just do this with my finger. Okay, it's loading. I just didn't wait long enough. Which, if you guys want to compile this in ARM, it will be faster. But this is running under QEMU, which slows it down.
Can I zoom in?
Nope, you don't need to zoom in. It's running at a high resolution. There's where I had it last time, which I guess I did something to my bar here. Let's see. Which is kind of hard to hit these. Here we go. Let's go to, I think, is it site view? Yeah, that's what you guys like, is site view. And you can go to tools, or I guess view. Which I noticed once you wait through all the, once you load this program and go through the whole program, it's pretty fast after that. I guess I'm already in full screen, so let's get out of full screen. But you can see how it runs, but it's slow because of the emulation. So QT creators on here, and if you want, you guys could load it up and recompile it, and it should run much faster. But this is the only way that you could really run this program on a tablet with an ARM processor without internet, as we were discussing. Let's see if I can get this to come back up and get... Oh, I guess we are out of full screen. Let's close it and open it back up. Wow. There it goes. Oh, you know what? This thing was loaded twice. I bet that's what I did. That's probably why it was so slow. Now I'm going to show it under Real VNC. Disconnect. Oh, guess I need to get back on the internet. No, we're back on the internet. There we go. Which, if you think about it, it's still running in that VNC chow root. So it's not really using up much processing power while it's idling, which is kind of nice. Okay, with VNC, with this one, it's always going to be local host, and we don't really need a name, which, actually I guess I'll put in the password. I think I just had it as pass. Except it's a lowercase, and that's really going to be annoying. See how much faster that loaded? See, it's a lot faster. Oh, I guess I haven't really seen. How was I using this? Yeah, with Real VNC, you kind of use it a little bit differently, and it pans and scrolls around, which I guess we'd have to change to full screen. I think that ran it. Let's wait and see. There it goes. Yeah, you got to get used to your different VNC client, which I'm not really used to, honestly, but it's not really that difficult to use. See, the thing is see how so eventually you could just pan out, and it should be fine because it'll scale. But I think this is probably the way to go. Looks like it didn't save my... There it goes. Another way to make this faster would be not to use Ubuntu, would be to use like, or maybe not Unity, would be like LXDE, which is a lot faster. It would probably make it a little bit faster. Not too much, but a little bit. But as you can see, it functions, and there you go. How much time? I guess that's good enough. There you go. That's the demo.